Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to hide and unhide apps on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to hide and unhide apps on your iPhone, just press and hold on the app you want to hide. Now from here, tap on Require Face ID. Now from here, tap on Hide and Require Face ID. Now from here, just scan your Face ID. Now from here, just press and hold on the apps you want to hide and tap on Require Face ID. Now from here, select Hide and Require Face ID. Now from here, tap on Hide App. Now from here, to find the apps, just scroll to the left side. Now from here, swipe to the bottom. Now from here, as you can see, there is a folder for hidden apps. Just tap on it and your iPhone will scan your face and will open the folder. Now from here, to unhide the hidden apps, just tap and hold on the apps you want to unhide. Now from here, tap on Don't Require Face ID. Now from here, just do the same with all the other apps you want to unhide. Select Don't Require Face ID. Just like that. Now from here, now as you can see, we have successfully unhidden these apps, and this is how you can hide and unhide apps on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.